The work breakdown structure, or VBS, in Omega 365 is the foundation of cost management and provides a structured framework for defining the full scope of a project. It breaks work into increasingly detailed components at each level. To register or update the VBS, open the VBS Setup app. To add a new item to the VBS, type in the name and title, and optionally the responsible person. If you use a naming convention where the first part of the name is the same parent's name, like in this example, then the parent will be filled in automatically. If not, you will need to select the parent VBS item. The start and finish dates are filled in at the lowest level of the VBS and automatically aggregated at the higher levels. The VBS can also be copied from another org unit. That could be from a similar project, or from a template where one or more VBS templates are available. How deep or number of levels that the VBS will have depends on the reporting requirements. We recommend following the common standards where the lowest level of the VBS, often called Work Package or VP, is the level where cost and scheduling is integrated. This allows for using the earned value management concept. Note that you need to use the function Connect to Link Activity VBS to connect it to the one used in scheduling. If the VBS names do not fully match, you can set up the mapping by adding the Link Activity VBS column, click on the cell, and add the VBS names used on the activities from scheduling. New VBS elements can be added even after the project has started. However, once a VBS element is in use, for example, for populating estimates and time phasing costs, it should not be deleted. Instead, set it to canceled. To learn more about Omega 365, go to academy.omega365.com.